Do you know how to ensure that you don't outlive your money? Well, in this video, we are going to share a few tips to ensure that your retirement savings last throughout your lifetime. Hi, this is Swari Basi, your virtual financial advisor. For the best advice on personal finance, subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload new videos. According to Statistics Canada, for the first time, seniors outnumbered children. So, with seniors living longer in retirement, here are a few strategies to ensure that you don't outlive your retirement assets. Estimate your life expectancy. How's your health? How long did your parents or grandparents live? What is the family history of cancer, heart disease, diabetes, and other life limiting illnesses? These are few questions that will help you estimate your life expectancy. Take inventory. List all your financial assets, including your home, pension, and other retirement funds such as RRSP, other investments such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate holdings. Don't forget to include the value of any life insurance policies which has cash value. Also, list any debts, loans, or obligations. Pension plans. Do you have a pension plan? Or employee funded defined benefit pension plan, which promise a lifetime benefit amount based on salary and years of service, used to be the gold standard for retirement security. Defined benefit plans are very expensive for employers to offer, and in recent years, many employers have converted their registered DB plans to registered defined contribution plans. The pension from the DC plan is based solely on contributions, so your personal savings now have a greater impact on the retirement lifestyle you can afford. When you become eligible to receive a pension from your employer-sponsored plan, look at all your options and ask your financial advisor about the benefits of deferred annuities and whether they would make sense as part of an overall strategy. For more financial security, insurance companies also offer the options of products that guarantee income for life. It is a good way to enjoy your retirement without worrying about potential income fluctuations. Drawing down retirement assets. Now, this is a very important aspect when you talk about your portfolio. Take care that your drawdown rate, how much you're pulling out from your asset, is less than the rate of return and factor in inflation. Many financial advisors recommend withdrawing around 4% of your total assets per year. To be on a safer side, try to withdraw around 3% of your total assets per year. A good strategy also accounts for the tax rate applied to different investments. For example, capital gains are taxed more favorably than dividends or interest. Old age security and drug benefits, which are based on the level of your income, could be clawed back by the government if your income is too high. That is why it's important to meet your financial advisor to see which options minimizes your taxes and maximize your benefits for the short and long term. Anticipate high healthcare cost. Improvements in healthcare and prescription drugs help people live longer, but the cost of medical care keeps increasing. If you do not have private health insurance, your out-of-pocket expenses can run up to thousands of dollars per year. Plan your estate. Everyone needs a will, which is the best way to ensure your estate is distributed according to your final wishes. When you die, there will be a deemed disposition of all your assets at fair market value, and any gains will be taxable at your marginal tax rate on your final return. However, if you have a spouse at the time of your death, your assets roll over to them tax-free. You can also establish a testamentary trust to hold assets for a beneficiary. You can add stipulations about how funds are to be used and limit or grant access to principal and earnings. Those assets become the responsibility of the trust rather than your estate. Consider taking out a life insurance policy where the beneficiary is the estate in an amount that would cover some or all of your taxes on death. That way, all of your gross assets can be passed along to the beneficiary without incurring a huge tax hit. Take time to research and document how all these factors affect you according to your situation. Developing a solid plan and sticking to it will be essential in making sure you don't outlive your money. That way, you can enjoy your journey to your retirement. Do you want to unblock your financial abundance? Heal your relationship with money? Create ease with money? Attune to the frequency of abundance of savings and create wealth in the most tax efficient way? Then click the link below for your complimentary Secure Gateway Game Plan Financial Worksheet. This free financial worksheet is one of a kind document created by me and available nowhere else. So why wait? Go ahead and click the link below to get your complimentary financial worksheet now. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up sign, subscribe to my channel and share it with a friend. Thanks for watching Personal Finance Made Easy, so it's time to start your own financial game plan.